guys, Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video, and this one is going to be really sweet, especially for travel purposes, even around your house, under your computer desk, etc. We're going to get into it just a second here. Company is JSVER, just like all my videos. It will be linked in the description box below. If they sell it in the appropriate country, UK, India, Canada, I'll have you guys linked as well, but I will definitely have you guys in the US linked in the description box below, so you can check it out after the review. So without further ado, let's open it on up, take a little look. All right guys, we got a nice cube power plug with USB ports. Absolutely fantastic. I definitely dig this. This is going to be different than your power strip, obviously. Have a couple manuals in there, etc. We'll go ahead and throw that off to the side real quick. Let's go ahead and pull it on out and see what she looks like here. There we go. Absolutely fantastic. A little plastic around there. Go ahead and remove that if that fits your style. We have one plug here, we have one plug here, and we have a plug in front. So there's 3 outlets right there. And then we have 3 USBs right on top. And then we do have what looks to be a little power button there as well. You can do a quick turn off, etc. You might have to read the directions on that, and we will. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this bad boy on in and take it for a little test drive here. And if you're wondering, tip to tip, that's around estimated about 4 feet of cord length there before the box here. So let's go ahead and plug it on in. And what's really cool about this design here, guys, especially with a battery pack or some of these types of plugs, they can take up the whole, they can like literally block like 3 of your power strips, especially on a regular power strip. So this just flips on the side right there. Let's go ahead and click this guy on up right here. And we see a little blue LED indicator here. As we can see, this is starting to charge here. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and throw a couple USBs in here and take this for a little gander here. We got our lightning cable here. So let's go ahead and turn that guy around there. All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and plug the phone in here. And then let's go ahead and plug, there we go, we're charging, there we go, we're charging right there on the phone. And then let's go ahead and throw this guy on in here, our micro USB, and we are charging here as well. And we still have one plug here and one plug here. A very cool design that could actually sit on top of your computer setup. It would look really sleek and nice. I definitely dig it. Again, a little blue LED indicator. Let's see what happens when I hit that. Everything goes off, so it's like a one type of port where you just hit it one time. Doesn't look like anything happens if I hit it 2 times. So that would be a quick turn off, turn on the power there. Overall, guys, a really cool charging cube. I definitely dig it, and I will be putting this to use in my computer setup upstairs. Looking forward to it, especially freeing up some plugs and not blocking it, etc. You guys have an awesome day, and make sure you check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe to that channel, hit that thumbs up button, smash that guy right there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name's Chris. Bye-bye.